Hello friend, a very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Arun Kumar Chaudhary and I am assistant professor in geology from Sri Janran Misra PG College, Lucknow. Here today I will discuss about the rock cycle and its importance. First we start with the introduction part. What is the rock cycle? The concept of rock cycle was first developed by the James Hutton, popularly known as the father of geology. The rock cycle is a fundamental concept in geology that explains the dynamic transition among the three main rock types, which are igneous, sedimentary, and the metamorphic rock. Rock transform from one type to another. The rock cycle is a continuous process derived by the three mechanisms. First one is the internal earth internal heat, which move material around in core and the mantle and lead to slow but significant change within the crust continuously. The second major process that play an important role in rock cycle is pressure, which is derived by the different type of the tectonic process. The third major process is the external force like climatic change, weathering, erosion, done by different geomorphological agents like wind, water, which illustrate how the rock are formed, broken down, and reform over the time. The rock cycle can be started at any stage of the cycle, but we start with discussion with the magma formation. Magma is a hard molten rock that have temperature between 800 to 3000 degrees centigrade within the earth's crust that cool and crystallize, forming the respectively intrusive and extrusive igneous rock like granite and basalt. Intrusive igneous when the magma slow cooled down within the earth's surface, resulting from the coarse grained texture like the granite. Extrusive igneous rock form when the lava cooled rapidly on the earth's surface, leading to form the fine grained or glassy texture like a basalt. From the above discussion, we conclude that the cooling rate affects the texture of rock with a slow cooling producing larger crystal and the fast cooling producing smaller crystal. After cooling and crystallization, igneous rock is exposed to the earth's surface through the various tectonic processes related to the related process of the mountain building, uplift and expose rock at the surface. Once the rock exposed is directly interaction with the atmosphere, climatic change, and the geomorphological agents like weathering, erosion, wind, water. Due to combined action of climatic change and geomorphological agent, which led to broken down into small pieces, which we know as sediment. These sediments are changed into sedimentary rock when these sediments are transported from their in situ place to another place by erosional process with the help of the different geomorphological agents like wind and water. These sediments are deposited at a suitable place at a depth of meter or more where the sediments are compacted by lithospheric pressure. Due to this pressure and presence of water, these sediments are cemented together and form the sedimentary rock. These sedimentary igneous rock through the various processes largely resulting from the tectonic forces are either uplifted, re-eroded, or buried deeper within the crust where they are heated up, sequestered, and changed into the metamorphic rock. These transform result in new mineral structure or texture form. Last component of the rock cycle is the melting. During the melting process, metamorphic rock or other rocks melt into the magma when they are subjected to subduction or divergent plate tectonic process causing extreme heat and pressure deep within the earth crust, causing the rock to melt and become the molten magma. Above discussed point occur together to form the rock cycle. Here we discuss next point is what is the importance of rock cycle. First one is the valuable mineral, natural resources including coal, oil, natural gases, and precious metal are formed through the various geological process within the rock cycle. Second one is the soil formation. Due to the weathering process to formation of the soil, which is the essential part of growth and agriculture. Mountain, valley, plains are shaped by the continuous movement and transformation of rock, influencing landscape and the ecosystem. The rock cycle interact with the carbon and the water cycle, resulting earth climate and the maintaining ecological balance. Finally, I conclude my topic. Rock cycle is the never-ending natural process that reshape our surface and maintain geological equilibrium, help to scientists predict environmental change, locate resources, and appropriate the dynamic nature of our planet. Constant recycling of earth material which support life and human activity is made possible by interaction of heat, pressure, and the surface processes. Thank you for attending my lectures.